Welcome to Best Choice. The Best All Free and Clear is probably one of the most essential household staples for anyone prioritizing gentle yet effective cleaning, especially if you or your family members have sensitive skin or allergies, offering a powerful clean without the irritation of added fragrances and dyes, making laundry day a worry-free experience for everyone. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Introducing Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. These innovative sheets offer a fresh scent and a powerful clean for your clothes. Say goodbye to bulky plastic jugs. They are an eco-friendly, liquidless soap solution, making laundry days simpler and more sustainable. Perfect for any adventure, they are travel-friendly and work effectively in both hot and cold cycles. You can take them anywhere with ease. Don't let tough stains and odors stand a chance. These sheets are designed to powerfully tackle even the most stubborn dirt, leaving your clothes fresh. Despite their strength, they are gentle on your skin. Enjoy clean clothes without worrying about harsh chemicals or irritants. What we like. These are innovative, eco-friendly laundry sheets. They are incredibly convenient for travel and dissolve easily in any water temperature. If you are looking for a sustainable, space-saving option that's also great for on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. All Free Clear Mighty Packs. Discover the power of clean with our revolutionary laundry solution. These packs are designed to make your laundry routine simpler and more effective. Specially formulated for those with sensitive skin, they provide a powerful clean without irritation. You can trust them to be kind to your family's clothes and skin. Enjoy fresh, clean laundry without any added fragrances or dyes. They are hypoallergenic, ensuring a worry-free wash every time. Don't let their size fool you. These packs pack a mighty punch. They dissolve quickly to tackle tough stains and leave clothes sparkling clean. Each purchase includes a convenient pack of 2, giving you a total of 132 washes. Stock up and enjoy long-lasting freshness and cleanliness. What we like. These powerful packs are specifically designed for delicate skin. They are completely unscented and hypoallergenic, minimizing irritation. If you or your family have sensitive skin and prefer the convenience of pre-measured packs, these are perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. All Free Clear Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing a powerful yet gentle solution for your laundry needs. This original liquid detergent is specially formulated to be kind to sensitive skin. It's completely unscented and hypoallergenic, ensuring no irritation from fragrances or harsh chemicals. You can trust it for a truly clean and comfortable feel. Despite its gentle nature, it offers concentrated cleaning power. A small amount goes a long way in tackling tough stains and dirt. This generous 82.5-ounce bottle provides an impressive 110 loads of laundry. It offers excellent value and convenience for your household. Choose it for a worry-free laundry experience, especially if you or your family have sensitive skin. It delivers a clean you can feel good about. What we like. This concentrated liquid formula is ideal for those with skin sensitivities. It offers a high number of loads per bottle, providing great value. If you prefer a traditional liquid detergent that is gentle on skin and highly efficient, this one delivers. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted or quoted as per instructions. Number 2. All Free Clear MIGHTY PACS Advanced OXI. Discover a new level of clean with these advanced laundry packs. They are specially formulated to tackle tough stains while being gentle on your skin. Featuring advanced OXI technology, these packs deliver mighty stain-fighting power. They penetrate deep into fabrics to lift away dirt and grime, ensuring your clothes look their best. Designed with sensitive skin in mind, these packs are 100% unscented and hypoallergenic. You can trust them to clean your laundry without causing irritation or leaving behind any strong fragrances. Rest assured, these laundry packs have been dermatologist tested. They provide a safe and effective cleaning solution for everyone in your family, especially those with delicate skin. Each pack contains 56 convenient packs, making laundry day simpler. They offer an easy-to-use solution for your everyday washing needs. These packs are safe, perfect for all washing machines, including high-efficiency models. They dissolve quickly and work effectively in any water temperature. What we like. These packs combine powerful stain removal with gentle care for sensitive skin. The added OXI boost tackles tough grime without harsh irritants. If you need robust stain-fighting power but still require a hypoallergenic and unscented option, these packs are your go-to. What people say. Number 1. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets. These innovative sheets are completely fragrance-free, perfect for sensitive skin. Plus, their non-plastic design helps reduce your environmental footprint. Each sheet is pre-measured for effortless use, eliminating guesswork. They dissolve completely, leaving no plastic waste behind. This pack provides 160 powerful washes, offering great value. Say goodbye to heavy bottles and messy spills with this liquidless solution. Whether at home, in a dorm, or on the go, they adapt to your needs. Their compact size makes them ideal for everyday use or special trips. Take them camping, hiking, or anywhere your adventures lead. Their lightweight and compact form factor makes them incredibly easy to carry. Experience a new era of laundry care that's effective and responsible. They make washing clothes simpler and more sustainable than ever before. What we like. These fragrance-free sheets offer an impressive 160 loads in a zero-waste format. They are incredibly versatile for home, dorm, or travel. If you prioritize a completely scent-free, eco-conscious, and high-volume solution, this product is an excellent sustainable choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.